the foundation of puppet, the puppet. That's puppeting. But you notice, I was doing moves, but I stayed continuous, what we call puppet hands, puppet head, and my body broke. Instead of staying rigid like you are with popping, mine broke down. You know, it's all in the hips and your upper torso separating your waist from your rib cage. So that's the puppet style. Now I'm gonna fool with the puppet for a minute, only a minute, just to show you how you work with the puppet. Now, puppeting, I can't say, oh, here's a move in the puppet style, because it's a style made up of many moves, but it's a style. And the moves are not singular, they're continuous, okay? In and out of puppeting, utilizing, you know, looking like a puppet. Your arms, soft head, soft arms at the wrist, soft legs. See, opposed to popping, you're hitting every count. Bam, boom, 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 bam, bam, boom, boom, boom. Which is pop, okay? Pop, if you can hit every 3 counts or every 4 counts, you go boom, bam, boom, boom, bam, boom, 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 bam. So you don't. It's not necessary for you to hit every angle. You know, you can play with it.
Man, I was telling that, you know, to bring me my money, man, and do my thing. You know how we get down, man. Shoot. I'm gonna buy my money home, boy. Somebody violate you. I gotta, oh, hey, hold on, man. Hey, hold on. Let me holler at you in a minute, man. Hey, but handle my business, baby. You know, you don't want me after AB and come see you, do you? All right, then. All right. Yeah, for Cheesy. Yeah, Cheesy Rider. $102. Hey, check it out. This next clip, I'm sorry about that. You know, this next clip, we're going to run into some moves. Not styles, now we're going into moves. Walk out, nickel flex, reverse walk out, blue roll walk out, you know, things like that. So check this out, and we're coming to the end, the last section is moves, and then you're going to see a couple of freestyles. Anyway, you know, I see you, you know, I got to handle my business on my little meeting right here, you know. I can see you.